I do not have a choice. Ang akong mga masulti sa human rights, kamoy tambag nila. It behooves upon you who worry eternally of the lives and death of people connected with the drug trafficking industry. It behooves upon you to do what you can do. Warn them, prisuha sila kung sa inyong gusto, but do not blame me. Pagkahuman ang inyong binuang, patyo ninyo ang akong nasod. I would like to repeat it to you. Sama sa gisulti, I heard it uttered a few minutes ago. Or, I am a government worker and I work for the people.